Portable charger warranty, what to look for. Title: Portable charger warranty, what to look for. Introduction. In today's tech-savvy world, portable chargers have become an essential accessory for many of us. Whether you're constantly on the go, traveling, or simply wish to stay connected without worrying about a dying battery, portable chargers provide convenience and peace of mind. However, along with the purchase of a portable charger, it is crucial to consider the warranty that comes with it. This article will delve into the importance of portable charger warranties and highlight key factors to consider when assessing warranty coverage. 1. The significance of a portable charger warranty. When investing in a portable charger, it is essential to consider the warranty provided as it can safeguard your purchase and provide vital financial protection. A warranty acts as a guarantee from the manufacturer that their product is free from defects and will perform as advertised within a specified period. In case of any malfunction or damage, a warranty ensures that the cost of repair or replacement is covered. By choosing a portable charger with a robust warranty, you can avoid potential financial losses and ensure a hassle-free experience. 2. Warranty coverage period. The first aspect to consider when evaluating a portable charger warranty is the coverage period. Different manufacturers offer a variety of warranty durations, typically ranging from a few months to several years. It is recommended to opt for a warranty that provides at least 1 year of coverage. A longer warranty period reflects the manufacturer's confidence in their product's performance. Additionally, a longer coverage period allows for ample time to identify any defects or issues that may arise with the portable charger during its lifespan. 3. Types of warranty coverage. A. Limited warranty. A limited warranty is the most common type offered by portable charger manufacturers. This warranty usually covers defects in materials and workmanship that may arise during the specified warranty period. However, it is important to read the terms and conditions carefully, as certain aspects like wear and tear or accidental damage may not be covered. B. Extended warranty. Some manufacturers also provide the option to extend the warranty coverage beyond the standard period, often at an additional cost. An extended warranty offers peace of mind by prolonging the protection of your portable charger against any unforeseen issues occurring after the initial warranty expires. It is advisable to evaluate whether the extended warranty cost is reasonable and if it provides comprehensive coverage for potential malfunctions or damages. 4. Warranty limitations and exclusions. While a warranty offers protection, it is crucial to carefully examine the limitations and exclusions present in the warranty document. Some common limitations include damage caused by misuse, improper handling, water damage, or unauthorized repairs. It is essential to understand the conditions under which the warranty may become void and take necessary precautions to retain the validity of the warranty. Moreover, manufacturers may exclude accessories or components that they consider as consumables from the warranty coverage. Be aware of these limitations to evaluate if they align with your usage patterns and requirements. 5. Manufacturer reputation and reliability. When assessing a portable charger warranty, it is also important to consider the reputation and reliability of the manufacturer. A well-established and reputable company is more likely to honor their warranty commitments and provide efficient customer service if any issues arise. Researching customer reviews and feedback can help gauge the manufacturer's track record in providing satisfactory warranty services. Opting for a brand with a solid reputation ensures better post-purchase support and quick resolution of any warranty claims. 6. Return and exchange policies. While not strictly part of the warranty itself, it is worth considering the manufacturer's return and exchange policies. A generous return or exchange policy allows you to test the portable charger A&D ensures that you are satisfied with its performance. It also indicates the manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction. If the portable charger doesn't meet your expectations, a hassle-free return or exchange policy can save you from any inconvenience. 7. Warranty registration process and support channels. Many portable charger manufacturers require warranty registration for validation. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and complete the registration process within the specified time frame. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the available support channels for warranty claims. Reliable manufacturers provide multiple ways to reach out to their customer service, such as email, phone, or live chat. Smooth and accessible support channels can significantly ease the warranty claim process when needed. 8. Importance of keeping proof of purchase. In addition to considering the warranty coverage, it is important to keep the proof of purchase for your portable charger. The proof of purchase, such as a receipt or invoice, serves as evidence of our ownership and can be required when making a warranty claim. Without proper proof of purchase, the manufacturer may deny your warranty request. Therefore, it is advisable to keep your proof of purchase in a safe place to avoid any complications in the future. 9. Understanding warranty claim process. Before finalizing your portable charger purchase, take the time to understand the warranty claim process. Familiarize yourself with the steps and requirements for filing a claim. This can include providing necessary documentation such as proof of purchase, serial numbers, and a detailed description of the issue. Knowing the process beforehand will help you navigate through it smoothly if the need arises. 10. Service centers and authorized repair shops. When assessing the warranty coverage, it is also useful to check if the manufacturer has service centers or authorized repair shops in your area. Having access to local service centers can ensure faster turnaround times for repairs or replacements. It saves you the effort and cost of shipping the portable charger to a distant location for warranty service. Prioritize brands that have a strong network of service centers to facilitate convenient warranty support. 11. Researching customer feedback on warranty claims. To gain further insights into a portable charger's warranty, research customer feedback regarding warranty claims. Online forums, review websites, and social media platforms can provide valuable information about the experiences of other customers. Pay attention to any common issues related to warranty claims and how satisfied customers are with the resolution provided by the manufacturer. This research will help you gauge the efficiency and reliability of the warranty support system. 12. Considering additional protection plans. While the manufacturer's warranty can provide sufficient coverage, it may be worth considering additional protection plans. Some retailers or third-party service providers offer extended warranty or protection plans that go beyond the manufacturer's coverage. These plans can provide added benefits such as coverage for accidental damage, theft, or loss. Evaluate the terms and costs of these plans before making a decision. Determine if the additional coverage aligns with your needs and budget. 13. Knowing your rights.